Dear friends, greetings to all. Today's topic is meaning of research problem. This is in the second chapter, that is defining the research problem of the subject research methodology. Now let us study the meaning of research problem. The research problem is the difficulty the researcher is confronted with or faced in the context of doing the research in the area of theoretical or practical aspect. The researcher is going to conduct a study, and for which he is conducting some preliminary study and reviewing the literature related to some theory, and in the theory there may be some difficulty the researcher is facing, that the doubt arises, or in the practical situation also some doubt arises. This is called the research problem. For a research problem there should be certain qualities. Let us study all this that may be classified into four types. One is that there must be an individual, that is individual or group of individual or an organization. This individual should occupy an environment, otherwise there is no possibility of study. That is, there is no hypothetical situation. That means individual means industrial units of say related to that food processing or the steel making, furniture. So some units are there, and some individuals or group of individuals, that is called, they are occupying an environment. Environment may be a district or a local place or in a state or in a country. Then second one is there must be at least two courses of action. So the work should be conducted in two ways. Two courses of action means related to the variables. Variables should not be limited with one. At least it should be two kind of variables should be available related to the control group. That is, control group is enjoying the normal treatment. Experimental group is enjoying some special treatment. Then there should be, there must be at least two possible outcome. Two courses of action should be there. Minimum two outcomes should be there. And one outcome is superior than other. We can judge that which one will be selected outcome. That outcome would be two or more. And from that one can easily identify which one is meritorious. That possibility should be there for a research problem. Then last one is the course of action should be related with the objectives. The researcher is resorting to some course of action. Planning some course of action means that should be in line with the objective of the study. Otherwise, complete waste. So these preliminary steps the researcher should take into consideration. Otherwise, the research problem will be a real problem for conducting the research. Okay. Thank you very much.